Hey guys, today we're gonna cook with chicken spaghetti with pasta tomato sauce. In order to cook this, all the ingredients we need are crushed pepper, pasta sauce, condensed milk, chopped onion, chopped garlic, dried parsley, chicken stock, salt, minced chicken, chicken sausages, shredded cheese, spaghetti pasta, and oil. We will add 3 liters of water in a pan and then we will add salt to the water. We will also add some oil. This helps us to prevent the pasta does not stick together. Let's add oil and wait for the water to boil. Once water start boiling, we will add pasta and we will make sure the pasta is completely cooked. Guys, sometimes it seems that pasta is cooked, but deep inside it's still hard. So in order to avoid this situation, what we're going to do is, when it seems the pasta is cooked, we take one pasta, break it and check in the center whether it's cooked or not. If it's cooked, then we turn off the gas. If not, then we will cook for another few more minutes. Likewise, our pasta is cooked now. Let's have a look. And now we will drain all the excess oil and water. We need to remove all the water, hot water from the pasta so that it doesn't get overcooked. And then we will spread the pasta in a pan and add some oil again to avoid to get it stick together. Let's start with the sauce. In a pan we will add some oil and I will add some garlic and cook it until it's release its aroma. Once garlic releases its aroma, we will add chopped onion and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Our onion is cooked. Now add chicken, and once chicken is fully cooked, we will add sausages. Since sausages are already cooked, we don't have to cook longer, so we will cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes only. After 2 to 3 minutes, we will add pasta sauce. We can adjust the density of a sauce by adding water to it. If you want thick pasta sauce, then we won't add water. If you want bit watery, we will add some water. I have added some water to it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add seasonings. We will add chicken cube, salt and pepper. We need to make sure that chicken cube is fully dissolved, or you can break the chicken cube before you put it in the sauce. Now we will add condensed milk. And shredded cheese. We just need to cook until the cheese melt and get dissolved into the sauce. Once it gets dissolved, we will turn off the flame. We have turned off the flame now. Now we will add dry parsley.
How it comes, how it goes, different names still a rose. We grew up, we grew tall.
And also we will check salt and pepper. If needed, we can add it. Our pasta sauce is ready. Now we can serve the pasta by mixing the pasta and sauce together, or you can serve the sauce separately. And please share, comment and like.